Assembly and animation. With CADBro, you can easily do an assembly interference check, exploded view, and the animation. Firstly, open the file. Blank some components to check the internal parts. Click the interference check feature. Then select some components to make the calculation. All interference results are listed here. You can get the detailed information and the visual display. Now, let's show all objects. Then make an exploded view. We could use the manual method to do it. Select the component and then move it to a suitable position. Repeat this operation. Move other components one by one. We can even move several components together. Try again. Another good feature is, this process can be saved as the AVI video to share with others. Finally, let's see the animation function. With the Editing Animation tool, we can view the existing animation in this file. This animation displays some disassembly operations, assembly movement, and a partial assembly process. It can also be saved as an AVI video.